Hey friends and family, and welcome back. We are finally on to May reviewing. So if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings as well as clothing hauls. I'm trying to do some shop with me's, but I'm a little, the camera does this thing and it makes you kind of dizzy, so I'm getting there. Sometimes I include it with my vlogs, sometimes I don't. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of cool swatches and little mini videos and all of that fun stuff there. So yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, first I wanted to say that today my makeup is the Natasha Denona Ayana palette from last month. This one I thought was pretty dark, and I did end up really liking it once I put it on. It has a very sultry look. So the only bummer about this is that it's kind of dark for the spring summer vibe. But it is very date night, very sultry, going out and having a good time kind of a look. Definitely not the spring vibe though, which is fine. It's still a gorgeous, beautiful palette. So I thought I would mention that. Today we have the BoxyCharm base box. Now, is it just me, or are these boxes seeming to be smaller than normal? Like last month's box was pretty small, this month's box seems small. Not that I'm complaining or that it matters, because the products in the box are what matters, but it was just an observation. Just didn't know, if I'm the only one who noticed that. You can always tell if this is the base box by the color of the inside. This is a $25 a month subscription, and you get 5 full-sized items, usually valued over $150, I believe, are pretty darn close. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started in the box. And just so you know, I have not taken a sneak peek of what this box is. It is hard to not see some of the spoilers when you're on Instagram, because I'm constantly posting on Instagram, so I have seen a lot of them. I don't know what my variation is though, so that's fun. This month's theme is BoxyCharm Flourish. You got this pretty Mother's Day vibe going on here. You always get the card with your variation information and prices here, as well as your variation code. Now, for me, these have been harder to read since they're not in the black ink, but that's okay. We will do our best here. All right, first thing that I see is this My Daily Dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift Skin Ink Supplement Bar. Now this says it's a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serum from Japan. Oh, look inside there. Let's take this out of thy box, my friends. Let's see. Oh, this is a pretty little bottle. Look at that. And it has all those cute little things in there. All right. And it has a seal here, so you know if it's been opened or not. Let's go ahead and check her out. Got your little dropper. Ooh, look at the dropper. How cute. It has the little thingies in there. You know the things. Okay, let's see. We're going to put that on thy skin. So here it is on the skin. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of, I'm going to call it egg yolk. Looks like egg yolk to me. We're going to, let's see. I'm struggling to, not really a struggle, but that egg yolk keeps like, I know it's not egg yolk. I'm calling it that because that's what it reminds me of. Very nice. I don't care much for serums, but this is nice. Happy to get it in my box. I'll give it a try. We'll give it a whirl and a twirl and a diddly-doo whirl. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Random things that come out of my brain pan. This Skin Ink, $65. $65, you guys. I can't believe this. What is that? 2, 4, 6, what, 3 times the price of our $25 box-ish? Holy cow. Alright, so I guess we're off to a good start there. Alright, now this was my choice item, was the Murad. I didn't particularly care. Well, I already have the Too Faced. Was it the Too Faced? I don't remember what the other option was, but I think it was something that I already had. And I love Murad. I'm actually out of my last cream. I know, well, this one is a City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I know this was probably a pretty penny. And it looks, is this, oh, I like it. Look at that cream. Look at that creamy goodness. But this lid, I'm trying to figure out the lid. Do you pump it? Oh, it's a pump, I think, right? Is it a pump? Oh yeah, it is a pump. There comes the good stuff. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we got this nice cream. Oh yeah, I'm so glad I chose this. I love creams. So I'll, even though this is for, did it say eye? Jeez, I'm way off my game today. Oh yeah, it just says overnight detox moisturizer. For some reason I was thinking it was just for around the eyes, but I was like, I'm totally going to use this all over my skin, and I am so happy I got this because, like I said, I was out and I needed some more, so perfect timing, Boxy Charm, perfect timing. Alright, what is the price of this guy? $74. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of what? A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin barriers while you sleep. Well, that's good news. $74? Oh my gosh. Wow, this is a great box. So like I said, the size of the box don't matter. It's what's in the box, right? It's not, what is that? It's not the size of the boat, it's the motion of the ocean for the box. Yeah, anyway, alright, let's keep on keeping on. Alright, what do we have here? Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm from, what is this? Sofia and Mabel. Mabel. I kind of wanted this. I did see the spoilers. I did kind of want this. It's this cute, pretty little didgeridoo. I don't know, didgeridoo's my word. Babe says it a lot. Okay, the color is Weekend Getaway. I don't think you can see it because it's like a clear plastic. But yeah, we'll give it a try. Look at how it's just so cute. I love it. Oh, look at that color. Ooh, yes. I love this as a dark nude or dark mauve color. Okay, it's a little bit sheer. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because the majority of my things are matte, and so therefore they're pretty thick, you know. So I'm good with this. I like it. It's not too much, you know what I mean? Like it's a more of like that subtle, nice sheer, little bitty sheerness. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. Like, I'm starving. It's lunchtime, but I really, really was excited to record for you guys. So, I think, like, I'm hungry. Well, like, my brain needs food. Alright, this is $15 by itself, so I'm very pleased with that makeup item. Next is the Trusty Brow Pencil and Brow Gel. So I do use this stuff. I have tried this formula. Well, I haven't tried this exact product. This is in the color Mocha. Come on. That's in the color Mocha. I haven't tried this specific one, but I have tried their stuff. I do like it. I dropped it. Please hold. Okay, so this looks like it's a 2-in-1. Oh yeah, this is nice. Because the one that I got was from Ipsy, and so it was a smaller, you know, deluxe size. So that's nice. Also, here is the gel. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Now, what I do like about this is that the gel is colored. So I did try the Brow Benefits one, and it's just a clear gel. I did not like it. I was running out of my milk. Let me get it. Where is it? So I was running out of this. I love this. This has so far been my favorite. And then we had a choice item for Ipsy where we could choose the Brow Benefit, and it wasn't my thing. I didn't like it. So I'm glad to get this because, you know, I have tried this brand before. Not an exciting thing because I've had it before, but very good. Like, it's right on time like the Murad, so I can't complain about that. Trusty is $26, so this pays for the box, just this item alone plus a whole dollar. So then, let's see, the last thing which I was excited for is the Cab, I don't know how to say it, makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. I thought this was beautiful. It does kind of look like other palettes we've gotten in the past, but I am excited to have this and give it a try. Alright, oops, did I show you the box? So it's the day and night. And it comes in this nice little cardboard box. It does have a mirror, and here are all of the colors. I know everyone and their mom has probably seen this already, but that's okay. Like, I think this is a very nice palette. Definitely something that we've seen in the past. I'm okay with it. I think like these have some really pretty colors. Let's try, we'll do Halo, Twinkle Twinkle. Let's go ahead and put that on thy skin. Swatched, nice. This one looks a little light. Maybe you might need to build that up. Let's see. Let's try let's do the terracotta and burgundy. Terracotta and burgundy. I'll put those here. Oh, those ones swatched very well. So it seems that maybe you may need to build up the lighter colors, but these were very nice. Now, I will be putting a video of all of the swatches on Instagram, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead. Oh, this price, I almost forgot to give you the price. Now, this was $52. So this box is already, we know it's got a good value without even tallying it up, which I will do in a few minutes. Let's do the recap. We got the eyeshadow palette. We got this, the Murad serum, or not serum, overnight moisturizer. We got the trusty brow stuff. We got the lipstick, and we got this serum. So I'm very happy. I was worried that this was going to be skin heavy, and I was kind of dreading that, but I'm very happy that I do have 3 makeup items and 2 skincare. I'm good with that. You know, I may not use this guy, but this, I'm so happy. Again, these 2 products were just right on time. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I'm also trying to put up my little videos on TikTok as well, so you know, that's starting to come up. And yeah, I think that's it, friends and family. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Okay, bye!